Hey everyone, this is Carlo, and I have something to show you really quick. Did you know that the Body Diary app has a calorie calculator? Well, don't worry. If you don't know yet, let me show you. Just tap on the profile settings, then tap on Calories and Macronutrients Calculator. And once you tap on it, it will show all the necessary details for you. All you have to do is tap on Start Calculation. Select your goal weight, whether to lose, to gain, or you can even customize. And you can pick a diet preset. Okay, so there you have it. As easy as 1, 2, 3. But let me show you again. So tap on Start Calculation. Pick a weight. And pick a diet preset. Hey, you're doing great! Stay healthy! Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.